What's up guys, Procrastinate here, back with another video, and I'm very excited for today's video because I'm gonna show you step by step and I'm gonna share with you an easy method that you can use to make $5 over and over again by simply changing colors and text on images. Guys, it's very simple. All you're gonna do, you're gonna change the color, or you're gonna change text, or you might change a font and stuff like that. Very simple tasks, drag and drop. You're gonna love it. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end so you can start making your PayPal money, PayPal cash today. Yes, you heard me correctly. They pay directly on your PayPal account, and no worries, if PayPal is not allowed in your country, they have you covered. What you can do, you can connect your bank account directly to their account and they're gonna pay you directly to your bank account. So no worries, this is legit method. The site has been around for a while. It's very simple to do, so let's get into my computer. Just before we go to the content, I want to let you know that this method could help a lot of beginners, especially if you have never made any money online. It should be easy way to get started. They're very reliable, as I said earlier, and they have been around for years and they've proven to be legit. I use this service, but I don't work on it. I use it to hire freelancers, and I want to be honest with you, this will make you first bucks, but it won't make you rich. You won't make $100 a day with this method, or maybe you eventually can reach $100 a day, but most probably you're gonna have to expand to more platforms. But as I said, this is a great actually start for beginners that want to make their first bucks online and maybe create some sort of a side income of 50, 100, maybe a few $100 a month. Also, before we go to the content, I just want to introduce you to my channel. Right there, my name is Spiro. I upload videos like this one showing you different methods to make money online, create a passive income, and earn your freedom. So watch this space, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any new videos. Alright guys, so these two websites we're gonna use to make and achieve these $5 over and over again. Guys, keep watching because this is very simple, legit method. You almost can't fail. So let's go, let's jump in. If you have some extra time, make sure you watch around the website, learn a little bit more about the Fiverr and its business system. But to jumpstart, just go click become a seller, and then again click here become a seller, and then you can just join Fiverr with your Google or Facebook account. I'm just gonna go here and log in. As you can see, I'm using Fiverr, as I said earlier, to hire freelancers. These $12 here are available because I actually had a dispute against one gig, $10 gig, and what happened, like the guy just didn't deliver on time, and when he delivered, the quality was below average, so I just went into dispute. It wasn't what I ordered. Anyway, we are talking about graphic design. I know it sounds like, oh, but you said you don't have to be tech guy. Trust me guys, no techie. All you have to do now is also create a Canva account. So go here, click sign up, and then you can enter your data here or informations and log in. Once you create an account, you can log in either with Facebook or Google. I'm just gonna log in into my account. Also, make sure you visit this here link, designschool.canva.com. It will help you if you ever get stuck. You can learn how to design, marketing, branding, photography. There is plenty of good tutorials about design. You can go see all, and then you can just find what you want to do. Let's go learn design, and it will offer you different designs and like concepts and how to use tool itself. Definitely worth watching. Look, design inspiration, 220 videos and design inspirations and stuff. Guys, you can't miss with this. Let's go back to the Fiverr and let's check what we can do. So go here and let's open graphic design. And when you open a graphic design, here on the left you can find all these subcategories. This is everything that you can do, but also you can do some, like for example YouTube thumbnails, which are not, I think they're not mentioned here, like, but I know because I order YouTube thumbnails from time to time before. And for example, look, $5, 2 stunning YouTube thumbnails. I'll design 3 YouTube thumbnails for 10. This looks alright. And look guys, there are many different people offering their thumbnail creation services. So why wouldn't you? It's very simple, easy to do. There is nothing like too difficult. Anyway, that's one thing. So let's jump quickly in Canva. I'm gonna show you what I'm creating in Canva. Look, these are my designs I created and my thumbnails I created in Canva. So look guys, this is what you can do in Canva, and it takes me 7-8 minutes now, but it used to take me maybe hour, and then 45 minutes, and then 10 minutes, and it's now 7-8 minutes, pretty much about that time to create one thumbnail. Let's go back to Fiverr. As you can see, you can do logos and stuff. Let's go logo. And as you can see, like I'll do minimalist business logo design for 30 bucks. Look guys, you do the same thing but make it for 5. Look that doesn't, it's like very simple. This is also very simple. Let me show you how it looks in a Canva. So what you're gonna do in Canva, you're gonna click right here logo. If you want to create a logo, if you want to create YouTube thumbnail, you're gonna create YouTube thumbnail. YouTube, then you can channel art or thumbnail or whatever. You can create Facebook ads, Facebook, and then give you ad, app, cover, Facebook graphics, everything, Twitter. Look, that's what I'm talking about. So it's very simple to use. And let's open the logo so you can see. And if you load all these templates for you, so for example, you can choose any template. Like you can say, all right, I like this one, and then you go down, and then you can scroll, and you can find anything. Like you can find that one, and then you can go down, and you can find this one, and you can actually mix the things. So for example, but actually I like this one, and then I can say, oh, I don't like this one anymore. I want to use this here, green thing. Then you click ungroup, and I'm gonna use this green, like whatever it is, Thunderbolt logo. I'm gonna change the color to whatever my colors are. I'm gonna chuck it in here, guys, and I'm gonna call it, and I'm gonna put the enter here. I'm gonna chuck it in here, and I'm gonna align it right, and I'm gonna chuck it in here, and that's my logo. For example, it's just what I created in like 30 seconds. So these gigs, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on logo design, and then you're gonna select, instead of relevance, best selling, and then take a look. Like this guy sold 945, this 865, $10 each, 865, $10 each, $8,000. But look guys, it's not $10 each, because he's got the basic, standard, and high quality, premium. 10, 20, 10, 15, 30. YouTube banner and logo. This is all that you can create using Canva. So you don't need any other, like look this, for example, premium service. Like I'm gonna do professional YouTube banner, logo, Facebook cover, Twitter header, and source fast. And guys, anyway, look, they covered that all. Look, these are all the things that you can create here. It goes far as like ebook covers and even ebooks itself. So no excuses, you can make money, you can make yourself $5 over and over again. If you jump on here, and instead of building this $15, just I will do a professional YouTube banner and logo, and I'll build it $5, and then you make standard 10 and make premium for 15. Offer that for maybe 10-15 days, chuck in a couple of sales, and then keep accumulating more sales. Make sure you give them a lot of reviews. So copy this gig, about this gig, or don't copy, of course, just find 3-4 good ones, create something that's gonna match your personality, something that you agree with, because you might want to do this thing exactly the same, and then simply create your new gig. And that's it guys, it's very simple as ABC. Do this and you're gonna earn $5 over and over again, and as you get better, you're gonna raise your price to $10, and then you're gonna keep getting $10, then you eventually can rise and meet this guy's price of $15, and so on and so on. If he has sold all these 353 based on minimum, if no one bought standard and premium, but I'm telling you, I'm the first person, I always buy like higher quality. If the basic was 2 revisions, I'll take a premium which is like 10 revisions. It just gives me more security. I almost or barely ever go with the cheapest option. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something, and that you're gonna make your first bucks using Fiverr and Canva. It's really easy and simple to do. As I said, you can get started tonight. Also, if you watched all the way till the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna subscribe and hit the notification bell, but also like and comment in the description below, because it helps this video reach more people. I would really appreciate it. With that being said, I wish you good luck. Cheers, I'll see you again. Don't procrastinate.